Hello and welcome back to my channel SQL tutorial class 9. Today we are going to learn about our new topic that is timestamp and extract function. So let's begin. What is timestamps? In SQL, a timestamp is a data type used to store data and time information. It represents a specific point in time, typically with the precision down to fractions of a second. The timestamp data type is commonly used for recording the date and time when a row is inserted or updated in a table, or for other time-related data in databases. This is the format. First is time, contains only time. Format is hour, minutes, and second. Then next is date, which contains on the date format, year, month, date. In MySQL, date starts from year. So in year contains on year format, that is year, or you can write only last digit of the year also. That is, if the date is year is 2022, you can write to only 22 by using this format. Then next is timestamp, which contains date and time together. This is a format where date is given and time is also given. Then last is timestamps. You can say timestamp TZ also, which contains a date, time, and time zone together. Time zone means whatever area you are located in, that time zone, this will reflect. So in simple words, whenever if there is a customer table and customer make any payment and you want the transaction time, what time the transaction has been happened, then you will use this timestamp. Whenever you are making a new database, you can use the timestamps. These are some operators and functions in timestamp in MySQL, that is show time zone, then select now, select time of a day, select current time, select current date. The most used three functions I'm going to show you in MySQL. These are the most three functions which are used whenever in SQL, whenever we are making a new database. Select now, then select current time and select current date. So let me execute one by one. First is select now. This will show you the current time with date. This is a current date and this is a time. Then next is current date, select current underscore time and execute. So this will show you the timing 12:36:54 seconds. Then next is current date. This will reflect current date. Okay. So these are the some most used functions in MySQL. Whenever you are making a new database, you are storing a data column and you're making and any transaction will happen, then it will reflect the date and time like this. So moving to our next topic, extract function. Our next function is extract function. In SQL, the extract function is used to extract parts such as year, month, day, hour, minutes, etc. from a date or time value. It allows you to retrieve specific components of a date or a time data type and use them in a calculations, comparisons, or display purposes. So the term extract itself says everything, right? This is a syntax. Extract means fetching out a data from a given field, okay, from a given date or a value. So you can extract year from the date from the given column. You can extract month, you can extract day, you can extract minutes, etc. This is a syntax: select, then extract, then month from the date field from the table. Then these are the things you can extract from the table, uh, from the column. That is year, quarter, month, week, day, hour, minute, days of the week, day of the week. So let's practically implement all this. So here you can see we have a date column in this table. So we are going to extract month from this date. Okay. So for that you need to write query like select, extract, bracket open, then month from column name payment underscore date, bracket close as we need to give a new column name, that is payment underscore month and comma we want payment store date as well from table name payment. So this is how you need to write query to extract month from this column. So this will help us to extract month. Select this query, and here you can see the month is extracted successfully. September month, then April, then July too. In this way, you can extract month from this particular date. If you want to extract day, you can extract day also. You can write this query. Select extract day from payment underscore date. Is payment underscore date, payment date from payment to and executes. Here you can see we have extracted day by writing this query. Now instead of day, you can write days of week also. Likewise, instead of month, we can extract year also. So in the place of month, you can write year. Rest of the thing is same, only column name and execute. This will extract year as so. We have learned how to extract month and year. So now we are going to extract days of the week from this payment date column. So for that, you need to write query. Sorry. Like this, select days, day of week, then payment date. This is a column name as payday. This is a new column name, payment date. We want according to the day, according to the this date from payment to table. And now we are going to execute this query. Here you can see 5 denotes Thursday because day starts from 0. 0 means Sunday, and 2 denotes uh, Tuesday. 3 denotes Wednesday. 4 denotes Thursday. 6 denotes Friday. 2 denotes Tuesday. Likewise, we have stated days of the week here. Otherwise, data quarter, then also you can extract like this. You need to write select, then extract, then quarter from payment date. This is column name, and as it is, rest of the thing is as it is. Here you can see where if you execute this query, the result will be like this. September month comes in third quarter, April month comes in second quarter, uh, February month comes in first quarter. Likewise, you will have a quarter wise data. Please. So here we have completed our extract function. If you want to extract time, you can extract time as well. But we don't have any time here. So in payment date column, so we are not performing extract function on time. So if you want, you can. And in this video, we have completed our timestamp and extract function. And in our next video, we will going to learn about joins, the types of joins. And if you like my video, please do like, subscribe, and share this video as much as you can. Thank you.